And click delete on this load and click on the wind load. The basic wind speed is 22, and the bidding height you have to input it because you not create the floor. If you do the floor level, okay. In this one, if you assign the floor level, the software will detect automatically the bidding height. But now you have to input it manually. The bidding height, you can use the option is 38.5 38.5, and for the ground floor is minus 3.5. okay, you have to minus 3.5. okay, 42. Now I input it 42. okay, now we create another subsystem Graitec. I call it wind ball, and you select on the area load, and you can click the wind ball apply from the floor, not from the ground floor. Then you can click and enter. okay, click and enter. So now you can change. okay, you can drag and drop. okay, now we have to create another wall again. Can change it. Now in this one I want to iterate with the column. okay, we will correct the model again. Enter. okay, now let's continue, and again. okay, enter. enter. You don't want to model it's you can use select array option, but in this one I want to show you about how to do drawing wind ball. Okay. Okay. Enter. 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 Okay. So you can show for the slit. Okay. For the wind ball, is correct. Okay, is correct. So after you throw the wind ball, you can generate the load automatically from the wind, create automatic load generation. You see here there are a lot of load generated automatically by the software. I don't want to run it all, so I have to delete some load. Okay, now to close it all, and let's compare it. Auto scale, and this okay. The managed load is 0.6, 0.64, and this one is 1.18, 1.17. So I keep the win 8D D for the S. I delete it all. Okay, you can click it all and click on S, Control S, Control, click on the win name as and delete it, and click on delete. Okay, now again you have to check it. Windy. Okay, windy. It is the direction of the D and minus D. Okay, D. Okay, D4, D3 is the same. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, now turn it on for the load. Now we complete for the loading. After loading, we have to continue to combination. In a case you don't want to run slowly because your PC RAM and CPU and load combination in so we are generate their load or load combination, so you can issue the win load again. If you don't want to show it all, you can turn it off and optimize it again. About the wind in the direction, windy, okay, apply in the area, so we keep it. We now apply in the area, now apply in the area, okay, so keep it off. Okay, let's see. And combination, click on property, click on simplify combination, click on this line load, either housing or destinatory. Okay, correct. Load, generate. You see here the concrete. Click OK. Now I want to show it as new model 2. So apply after complete modeling and combination, you can take another load analysis by right click on analysis setting. You can generate non-linear to include P data, big P data and small P data analysis, general buckling to analyze buckling load, and motor to analyze motor shape or structure. Now I just told you about how to design in further analysis, and the next we will tell you about how to use the option. Okay, I can take some highlight on how to use the option non-linear. You still select on non-linear, and you can check for analysis option. Okay, you can add edible analysis option and apply select item. Okay, you can add load for analysis. You can click OK. If you want the load, you can add and OK. And light replacement, you can include it for small P data. So the option we active for the light P data and small P data. Now I just take some highlight for you, and for the option in model, okay, model cache, use the exchange value and mode number or the mode. You can increase it to 1 to 3, or I think 3 is enough. Okay, you can increase it. And for the damping seismic, not apply for seismic, and you can apply the mass eccentricity. Okay, another option analysis for the general buckling. Okay, you can select load to calculating for the buckling. Now in the tutorial just show how to analyze first order, because when you use the function your PC will be run harder and harder. I don't want to run it, so I just show it about how to use in the first order. Is I have time and my PC can run. I will make another video how to use this function. Okay, now let's start to analyze again and verify again. You see here, there are no error. There are no error. Okay. So I want to come back and explain you more about the column. Okay, turn slab off. Now you see about the column, we have to assign the orientation of column. In you see here in this direction, we have to rotate a column from this one. Okay. Okay, now select column to rotate. Okay, and check for other. We use the same in architectural plan. This one. Okay. Okay, now let's rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, after you complete rotate, we have to rotate this one. With the angle this one, we have to measure it. The angle of this column is 59 degree, so I had to rotate it 59 degree. 59 degree. Okay, now see here, everything is good right now. And I want to explain you about the column in architectural plan. You see here the column type is L type with angle, so you can watch my tutorial about how to design custom section in GAD Graitec Urban Design. So you have to take a look how to model in AutoCAD and import to Graitec Urban Design for create custom section and to design this tile section. Okay, now in my tutorial I just use a quick the one to import it, so you can import and check my tutorial and how to design with the section custom section. Any section you can do it by using AutoCAD and import it to the ES file. Okay, so we just keep it. Maybe we change it later. And this for the column. Okay, correct. Okay. Now let's see for the wall. Okay, see. Okay, it's correct. Now we just complete our model. Assign section, assign orientation of the column. So after complete, we can run analysis and design. Now I have to save it to another model. Save and save as. I want to shoot it to 3. Okay. Now click on analysis. Click on OC for design OC element. Click OK. And another one important, you have to check your model to make sure your beam is designed as beam and your column is designed as column. Well, so you see here, because you turn all the beam, so now the beam not include on the other floor. So like again, click all beam and click control, and for the load we also check for the load. Okay, now I want to copy beam to other floor. I turn the load off and select on the beam, click on it, and turn the load on again for the load. Okay, click the beam and control P. Okay, now let's check auto scale. Okay, you see here, for the top, we don't want to apply load on beam at the top. You can click on the top slab and click on the filter. Now we assign for the area load only, and for the line load we delete it all. Okay, again. Press control and press delete key, and this one for the you can click on the select criteria and click on the loading linear load, click and delete it. Okay, now complete. Okay, so the model off. Again, after you complete, you can click on beam or you by select criteria and click on the linear. Okay, this one will be select for all and beam and column, so we don't want to use that option, so click on beam and click on beam. Okay, turn load off. Okay, now again click on beam, select all beam and click check the material is correct. Now we use the clipping to use an offset. On offset moment, we consider the moment on the face of the column only, not at the center of column. And we know we have both for design and for the concrete we use this concrete, and for shear fall we can clip it, and for the design we design a beam or not design a column. Click on beam and calculate deflection. Okay, now it's correct. And you can check also for the column. Click on column, see and click, and you can check for the section, and you can change it, material and concrete cover, and you can input direct for the shear if you want to input, and you can calculate it for the column. This one is correct for the column. Okay, no need to change. And we click on the clipping. We do the same, do the clipping. Okay, we use an offset moment to design for both column and beam, and seal it. Come back to your folder, turn it on. So you want to delete some folder, you can delete it by using delete key on the keyboard. Okay, and for the line element you can delete it if you don't want to use it anymore, but this one I want to keep it. Okay, and for the window, okay, so you can click it all, and this one I want to use only column. Now we have to turn all other element. Now click on column. In the case we do not want to run design for all elements, I want to design for the ground floor only, so you can check for the design. Okay, disable it. Okay, disable it. Now turn column and beam, we use the same. We want design for the ground beam only. And tick for the design, not calculate. Okay, and for the slab we do the same. Not calculate. We want to optimize running time, so we don't want to calculate it all. Okay, still is the same. Okay, now you can turn it on. Select and click. Okay, after complete modeling, assign material, assign rotation, and load, assign load and load combination. Now we can continue to analyze and design. I want to show it to another revise file, analysis and design. Okay, now see here the file is analysis and design. Now you can take or load, or you can turn off load, and you start to analysis and design by clicking analysis, OC, click OK.